Use cartridge there, lift it out, lift, and this just pulls out, just don't have to be rough. There it is. You can wash this, and then you can see here, this is all hygienic. I'll go back and do this properly later. The big thing is obviously to keep the barcode window clean and don't scratch it. Keep that clean, don't scratch it. Okay, so how do we put it back? That's the top, obviously. It holds the cartridge. And just get it about halfway up. And can you see it's just gone straight back in? I haven't even had to click it, it's just gone straight in. So pull it out and push it back in. So there's quite a tug to get it out, but it goes back in very easily.